Xiaomi has officially launched the Redmi Buds 6 and 6 Pro globally, offering two wireless earbud models designed to cater to diverse user needs. Both models feature high-quality specifications at competitive prices, making them an attractive choice for a wide range of users. The Redmi Buds 6 feature a dual-driver setup comprising a titanium-coated dynamic driver and a 5.5mm piezoelectric tweeter, delivering an immersive audio experience. Here are some of the key features. Active noise cancellation reduces external noise by up to 49 dB, ideal for use in noisy settings. Adaptive transparency mode lets in external sounds when needed for safety or convenience. 360-degree spatial audio enhances the experience for gaming and streaming. Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity ensures reliable pairing and a stable connection. Dual mic AI noise cancellation provides crystal clear call quality. The earbuds offer up to 42 hours of total playback time when combined with the charging case, delivering excellent battery performance at an affordable price. The Redmi Buds 6 Pro feature a state-of-the-art triple driver system comprising dual PZT tweeters and an 11mm titanium diaphragm driver, providing sharper highs and deeper bass. Some additional highlights are ANC, which can reduce noises up to 55 dB, delivering a superior listening experience, battery life up to 9.5 hours of playback on a single charge with a total of 36 hours when used with a charging case. 3 microphone AI system ensures exceptional call quality even in challenging environments. The Redmi Buds 6 are priced at £34.99, approximately $43, while the Pro model costs £64.99, approx $81. Both models will be available globally from January 15th via Xiaomi's official channels.